slept in today because we were getting like 4 hours of sleep because training starts so early. So we all, Emily, Elizabeth, and Katarina, and I all have the day off today while Christy and Caitlin are at training. So we're going to Animal Kingdom. So excited! Yeah.
Welcome to Animal Kingdom, the best park at Disney.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Animal Kingdom.
Say the wilderness.
The wilderness
Must be explored.
must be explored.
Good job, guys. We take those hands, we flip them over, we cross them. We just made birds, so we have to flap those wings, and we go. And then we put paws up, and we do our loudest and meanest.
Roar! Roar! Wilderness Explorer!
Official Wilderness Explorers. We even have our little official sticker.
Tree of Life!
A lot today, and now I am tired. I am dog tired.
We're gonna meet Russell and Dog Kakarot!
Wilderness Explorer.
Hi! Oh, thank you.
I
Hi.
love all your badges.
You see any squirrels today, Doug?
30.
Oh my gosh. We just got done meeting Russell and Doug! Yeah, we had a dance party. Now we're off to Dinoland, USA, which I haven't been to since I was 5. Dinoland. So cool. Oh, look at Donald. Dinosaur! Really excited to go on this ride. I don't think I've only been on this ride once. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
We're gonna catch an iguanodon.
Got to get the iguanodon.
I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Ah!
You're not gonna make it! You're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
We look terrified. That ride was awesome. So scary. One of my new favorite rides in Animal Kingdom, for sure.
This is dinosaur poop.
We just got some free buckets from this lovely cast member.
I feel like a kid again.
Fried chicken nuggets in a bucket.
Yeah, chicken.
That paper down there, it says their number called 1-800-DIG-DINO. Emily's going to call it.
Is it dig?
This is like your opinion in a quick 3-question survey. And to thank you, select callers will receive a free Caribbean cruise for dinner for helping us. Let's begin.
What was it?
I don't know. It was a survey to win a free Disney cruise.
What?
I'm gonna win that cruise.
So if you're ever in Restaurantosaurus, then call the numbers over here. Maybe you'll win a free Disney cruise.
So it's gonna thunderstorm. So what are we doing? We're going.
I'm gonna get another
iguanodon.
Back on Dinosaur. And we're back. We're back, Bill Nye. Bill.
Round two. Round two.
Bill Nye, the science guy. Round two. Again, we're doing it again. Hey! Oh my God. Woo! Feel the breath.
Mission accomplished.
I was holding my ears.
Look at us. I was trying to roar at it. Second time was just as awesome.
Sit in the back next to
Sit in the back. It was better. Sit in the back.
back.
With this really adorable little kids. It was their first time on it. We just told them if you see a dinosaur, just go roar.
It was a little. It may have been a little scary for them.
But you just hear them every time I saw a dinosaur. You hear this little roar going. It was so cute. We're heading over to the Festival of the Lion King. I've never seen it before, so I'm really excited to see this. But Katarina is
It's
like,
my favorite.
she's like going crazy. Like, guys, when are we going to Festival of Lion King? Are we going to Festival of Lion King? Are we going yet? Yeah. So we're super excited to see this. Festival of the Lion King.
I am so ready.
Greetings, everyone. Party. Welcome. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the Festival of the Lion King. And injustice, deliciousness,
A couple times, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Now you know why it's my favorite.
I have no words to describe it. Like, it just kept getting better and better. I can't wait to just go to work and say, hey, do you want to go to Festival of the Lion King? Yeah, for sure. This is, it was amazing. Guess what ride we're doing next? 15-minute wait. Expedition Everest. Woo! Are we going yet? Are we going yet? I don't know what we're gonna do. Are you guys ready? Oh my god. That is so. Oh my god. Round two, round two, round two, round two, round two, round two. We went on Dinosaur twice and now we're going on Everest twice. Round two, round two, round two. Woo! And up.
Oh, that's awkward.
The ride just stopped. Oh. Disney Point.
Which way? Which way?
We are going this way.
I'm gonna point down.
Yeah, Disney Point down. Down the hill.
I love all the hair.
Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go? Disney Point. We're going this way. Disney Point this way.
No, which way with the camera?
Trying to Disney Point.
Yeah.
2 times.
Success.
But sitting in towards the front is the best.
Yes.
Yes, for sure. We were actually one of the very last cars to be going. Animal Kingdom is closing right now, so we are gonna go back to the apartment and just relax, get some water, and then tomorrow I have training from 9 to 1. So that's exciting, my second day of training. So we had an awesome day at Animal Kingdom, rode many rides multiple times. That's so great. So I'll say goodbye to you guys. Bye-bye.